guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dulce. In today's video I will do a Dollar Tree haul. I would cut this video in two parts, so this is part one. I was so excited finding these organizing bins. This one is a square one with a top, so I will use this for my makeup. I got just one of these. I also found this one. It's like little cubes. It says in here to put your nail polish, but I will use this for my lipsticks and lip gloss and everything that I have. And I got two of the same one, as you can see. So I got two. They're very sturdy, so I really like finding this stuff because I was searching for these organizing bins for a long time now. The other one that I got is this one. It has a big rectangular in here and a little bit of the square ones also for my makeup. I will see how I organize my makeup in this stuff, but hopefully it comes out good. The other thing that I got is two of these organizing. These are from the brand Essentials Organizer. This one is for elastic bands, bobby pins, but I'm not sure I'm going to use this for that type of stuff. I think I will use this for my makeup also. So I got two of them. Like I say, it's really sturdy and it's clear, so I could see what I have put inside in there. Okay, another thing that I got are from the brand Bolero. This is the body wash in the scent honeysuckle and green tea. I got the body wash and the hand wash. Let me see how they smell because I didn't smell it at the store. Wow, it smells really great. The smell is really not strong, but it's really, I really like the smell. So I got just the body wash to try it out and the hand wash. Another from the brand Bolero, I got two of the facial wipes, also from the scent honeysuckle and green tea. I want to stack up on these brands of types of facial wipes because they actually work on my face. They clear my face out and remove my makeup very well. So I got two of these of the honeysuckle scent. Another thing that I was so happy finding, and I have been looking at the other Dollar Tree hauls. Sorry for my throat, it's a little bit scratchy. It's the brand Kiss nails. They come 12 in the back. This one is like a little color blush pink. They're short nails, so they're really great for me that I was cleaning and doing all that type of stuff. So I got two. Here they are, so you can see. Another thing that I found in there is the Ultra Glossy Moisturizing Lip Gloss. This is the color Rosette. It's like a deep purple pink color. It's from the brand Beauty Benefits. I got this one in the color Palette. This one is more like an orange tone and pink. Yeah, neutral colors. They had a deep red one, a bright red, but I just got the neutral more colors. This one is the orange one. The name is Crepe. It's like an orange pink lip gloss. So I got three of them. I found also the LA colors metallic things, but I really don't like that type of the metallic feeling on my lips, so I just got these three, and I didn't get the LA colors one. Another thing that I found, I was so excited finding, is the contouring brush from the brand Wet n Wild. Here it is, so you can see that it's the brand Wet n Wild. I got the contour and the angle brush. They're really soft, and I really like how the color is white with a little bit of pink. Also neutral colors, and that's really great for me. Another thing that I got is these two headbands, but this is for my daughter hair. It's really pretty, like this silver with white, this purple with little diamonds, the pink one, the black with silver, and the white with diamonds. So I got two, so whenever I put her in two ponytails, she has the same color on each ponytail and the same pattern on it. So I got her two of these. She always loses these ponytails. For my smaller daughter, she has also a lot of hair, but I bought her this one. It comes in a 20 pack. It is from the Basic Solutions brand. I really like it that they don't have the metal thing on the back, so it's really great for her hair. Also, these ones, they don't have it, so they don't pull her hair really hard. They're just like stuck together. So I got her these ones in different colors. Another thing that I was so happy and excited getting, it's this love sign. It is like a, how do you say this, canvas type of rectangular thing. As you can see, I will hang this on my daughter's where her crib is. Her crib is pink and gray, so this is really great for her to have. It says love. I really like the rustic touch that it has, like kind of brown on it. So this is very pretty for a girl little room. So another thing that I was so happy and excited getting is this jewelry holders. I got these ones, the angel wings, and I got this little feather one. I got only the white ones. They had the color gold this time, but I didn't like that one, so I just got two. One of the wings and one of the feather, because I didn't want to get the gold one. I don't like gold. Another thing that I got, I was so amazed, the Dollar Tree Mother's Day cards. They're so pretty. Like, you can see how pretty it is. I got this one for Mother's Day. Inside, you could write in here. It has like a really great, I really like the pattern that it has. On the back is the English translation from what the card says from here. And this part, so I really like this one. I got this one. And this is on the brand Voila, I think I'm saying it right. Here it is. So the two things that I got are these two scented wax melts. One is the passion fruit coconut with tropical island. I got this one. And the other one is pineapple with and coconut. Let's see if this one works with my wax melt warmer. So they smell so good. This one smells like pineapple and coconut. I love the smell. So I will cut this video right in here and try to make the second part in another next video. So see you on my second part haul. Bye. And please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye everybody.